guys, this is Naisha. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a really fun slash chill slash productive type of vibe that I'm gonna set for this vlog. So it's basically a night routine. I know you guys have been requesting for it since ages, and I was in my not active era on YouTube, so I couldn't do it, but here I am, at least better late than never. So more routines are coming soon, don't worry. I know what you guys want to see on my channel. So today's a night routine, and I just got back home from my shoot. It's 8:45 p.m. right now, and I just got fresh. I got changed. I took a shower, a cold shower. Feels so good. And right now I'm just gonna set the mood right for studying, because my exams are starting from Friday, Parso, and today's Wednesday. So I can't really procrastinate or give myself a break right now, because I actually cannot afford to waste any more time. And I am kind of feeling productive, and I'm kind of feeling motivated and energized. So why to just give yourself a break if you don't exactly need it? And I'm gonna distribute my time into study blocks, like time blocking basically. So I'm gonna study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and then again 25 minutes. That's the flow of this study session part of the vlog. And basically it's called the Pomodoro technique. I think you guys must have heard it on social media because it's quite famous, and it's a very good technique. Personally, I highly suggest if you struggle with focusing too much on your studies continuously for a long period of time, this is the technique for you. Anyways, I hope you guys like this vlog. I'm gonna show you guys whatever I do when I come back home from a long day or a shoot day, and how I study, how I feel energized, how I feel tired, or whatever, how am I feeling, etc, etc. What do I do before I sleep, and all of that. So I hope you like this, and I hope this motivates you to study as well. And yeah, I think let's get started. I know you guys must be wondering why am I studying in my bedroom. Actually, I know social media tells you a lot oh, you should not study in the bedroom,
and it's not a nice thing. You will feel sleepy, or you might get distracted or not feel your most productive self.
But personally, I love to feel cozy and comfortable, and I just like to be in my own space. So I'm not exactly a sit at the dining table and study type of person. So you feel like you actually can focus and not get distracted or not feel sleepy when you're studying on your bed, you can do that. You don't have to follow everything you see on social media or people say on social media. So परसों मेरा मराठी का exam है, and that's what I'm gonna study right now first, because obviously. Let's start the study block 1. So I just got done with the 25-minute study block, and right now it's my 5-minute break. I think I'm just gonna move around a little bit, because I can't be stagnant in one place for a long period of time, and it's not good for your body also, nor it is good for your mind. Because obviously you feel more drained if you're constantly sitting and not moving around. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then sit to study again for the second study block, which is again 25 minutes. So I just got my next textbook, and that is economics that I'm gonna study, because after Marathi we have eco on Monday, we have SS on Monday, and SS में मेरा सिर्फ eco और history का revision बाकी है. I'm done with geography and political science.
And yeah, let's get done with eco quickly. Within 25 minutes, I can do a chapter.
So it's been a really good study block. I just finished another 25 minutes of studying eco, and it was amazing. I finished the entire chapter and I feel really productive already. मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैंने मराठी में 2 चैप्टर्स कर लिए इन 25 मिनट्स एंड इको में मैंने 1 चैप्टर कर लिया इन 25 मिनट्स and I feel really good. I feel like I've done and covered a lot of things जो मुझे कल कर लेने चाहिए थे but मैं नहीं कर पाई because of shoot and other things going on. So I think this was really amazing and I am actually planning to do 25 minutes of history also so that at least मेरा 25 minutes में एक history का chapter हो जाए and फिर मुझे सिर्फ go through करना पड़ेगा वापस कल. So yeah, it's a 5-minute break right now. I think I'll just do a little bit of stretching, like stretch my back and stuff because my back is paining. I don't know why. I just feel a little bit weak and a little cold also, which is why I'm wearing the sweater, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna do that in this 5-minute break, have water also, and then I'll just finish history, and that's it. That's gonna be the last study block for tonight because it's already थोड़ा सा late. तो एक last study session करते हैं and then I'll see you guys. You guys, I just finished history's 1 chapter in 25 minutes, which I actually thought मैं कर नहीं पाऊँगी क्योंकि हमेशा मुझे dates recollect करने में थोड़ा problem होता था, but आज नहीं हुआ. I don't know how. And 25 minutes में तो I could never even imagine finishing a chapter of history because personally I don't like history only because of the dates part and the amount of details. Like textbook से तो मैं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ history. I read from my notes. I'll show you guys. Wait. I have like an entire book which I made for my history because I literally cannot study history from the textbook. It is so haywire and the pointers are all miswritten. I don't literally understand. So मैंने खुद के notes बनाए for history. I also have notes for my pol science. And I also have notes for geography. जो chapters मुझे textbook से नहीं समझते I make it for geography. And eco के तो मैंने अभी तक कोई notes बनाए नहीं है. क्या पता मैं boards के time अगर मुझे कोई difficult लगे तो मैं बनाऊँ. This is my geography notes. And I love writing notes, honestly. It's so fun and such a cool process. और हाँ, पॉल साइंस, हिस्ट्री, जोग्राफी आर व्हाट आई मेनली मेक नोट्स अबाउट. आई डोंट रियली फोकस ऑन इको नोट्स बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक्स हो जाता है मेरा टेक्स्ट बुक से, बट ये 3 सब्जेक्ट्स तो नहीं होते. सो दीज आर माई नोट्स. आई डोंट मेक माइंड मैप्स बिकॉज माइंड मैप्स में सब डिटेल्स फिट नहीं हो रहे थे एक पेज पे. तो समटाइम्स आई डू लाइक अ क्लाउड थिंग, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आई राइट इन पॉइंटर फॉर्मेट एज यू गाइज कैन सी. And yeah, that's how I study history, geography and pol science. So I'll tell you guys a little story. 9th grade में मैंने last moment history पढ़ा था literally because I was so much into the zone of not studying history. As I said, मुझे बहुत पकता है history का dates और इतने details को याद करने का. So what I did is मैंने literally एक रात पहले, exam के एक रात पहले मैंने अपने notes खोले, मैंने फटाफट रीड किया और नेक्स्ट डे मुझे लिटरली वो सेम क्वेश्चंस आए एग्जाम में. तो मैंने जो मेरे नोट्स में लिखा था वो सेम आंसर लिखा. टच वुड, आई गॉट रियली गुड मार्क्स फॉर दैट एग्जाम. सो दिस इज़ योर साइन टू मेक नोट्स फॉर द सब्जेक्ट्स दैट बोर यू because your notes are much more interesting and much more understandable than the textbook language. And you can literally read it one night before. हालांकि वो करना नहीं चाहिए, but मेरे से हो गया. I don't know how. So my notes are literally a lifesaver. इसलिए I never ever fail to make sure कि I've made notes for SST and science. Those two are the subjects जिसमें textbook के pointers are not exactly that understandable and that engaging to my brain. And my brain just doesn't feel like memorizing it from the textbook. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. So I don't make notes for any other subject except science and SST. इंग्लिश में कभी कभी हो जाता है एंड हिंदी में भी कभी कभी. जस्ट द माइंड मैप ऑफ द चैप्टर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टेलिंग यू गाइज अबाउट दीज स्टडी टिप्स फ्रॉम माई साइड, बट it will help. So yeah, now I'm finally done for the day for studies. Now I am going to start the most fun part about this vlog. So firstly, I am just gonna pack all my books and keep it into its place, because I can't keep it as a bed pay and then chill, because that's just not me. I cannot function properly in a messed up environment. So I'm gonna set up my books and keep them in place, organize them properly, and then I'll tell you guys what I'm planning to do for the rest of the night. Okay, so now that I'm done keeping the study table in its place, keeping the books in its place, I am planning to watch a series, and that's because I actually read a book every single day, like I try to. But recently I've not been on track with reading because of shoots and balancing my exam preparations and everything. तो मेरी reading completely बंद हो चुकी है. But आज से I'm getting back on track. Trust me, I am so into this zone of getting things done today. I don't know how, but touch wood I am, and I'm really glad that I am.
I am going to watch a series right now to just freshen up my mind a bit. क्योंकि if I start reading a book right now, it is again a form of reading only, जो मैं अभी कर रही थी हिस्ट्री को एंड मराठी के साथ. तो I don't want to continuously read a textbook or a book. So I'm gonna watch a series. I think I am probably gonna watch The Vampire Diaries. I started it recently. I don't know why. I was just seeing so many edits about it on Instagram. Like continuously मेरे feed पे like Salvatore Brothers and Nina के edits आ रहे थे. And oh my god, they're really hot. But anyways, they are the reason I started watching the series in the first place. वरना तो I mean it's such a huge series. I was not at all planning to start it ever in my life. But well, the edits made me do it, don't blame me. Anyways, I was initially watching Call Me Babe yesterday night, and it was so fun to watch. It was a really good watch actually. I was not expecting so much, but well, sometimes the things you don't expect happen and sometimes they're actually good.
So I just made myself a cup of cold coffee. I know not really a good time to have it, but पता नहीं मुझे कॉफ़ी से नींद आ जाती है, मतलब उसके बाद भी. I don't know how people cannot sleep after drinking coffee. I mean, I know that's the actual logic of having coffee, like the whole point of it is to stay awake, but तो भी अगर मुझे सोना हो तो मैं कॉफ़ी के बाद भी सो जाती हूँ. I think I'm built different guys, but yeah, that's actual fact. Like ऐसा नहीं कि मेरी नींद उड़ जाएगी. My mom always scolds me कि ये टाइम पे कौन कॉफ़ी पीता है, ये कोई टाइम होता है क्या, you should not consume coffee at this time, blah blah blah. But पता नहीं, I'm just built different. I still can sleep after having coffee if I want to. This is like a little night lamp that I got for myself like yesterday. I just thought it's cute and pretty, and I'm gonna keep that on so that I can watch series आराम से and ज़्यादा अंधेरा भी नहीं होगा if I want to get up or something. Also, if you guys were wondering why am I not talking about my dinner, it's because I am just not hungry. I don't know why I am just not hungry. Like I had good amount of snacks today, so coffee it is and no dinner. Please don't skip your dinners, but I know I'm doing it myself and I'm no one to say but yeah, please don't skip your dinners like me. It's just that I'm not really hungry, like I'm literally full. So so I just finished watching like an entire episode of DVD. Right now I am planning to finish one chapter of reading the book. I'm gonna show you guys which book I'm planning to read right now. I've been reading it since a month almost, like ever since it came out I had the book because I had pre-ordered it. But then as I said कि मैं इतने दिनों से कुछ पढ़ नहीं पाई because I was studying and busy with shoots and everything. I'm gonna continue that book only today. And yeah, let's show you guys the book. So this is the book. It's Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers by Tam Kaur. And I am such a big fan of her. Honestly, I love her so much. And she's like so damn creative in everything she does. So I am gonna read one chapter of this book and then I'll see what to do, if I want to continue watching something else or maybe just sleep, because it's already a little late and I haven't slept well since a long time. I think you guys know about that. So yeah, let's start reading first. I loved this chapter. Basically, it was a chapter all about, how to put the broken pieces of yourself back together. And personally, the tips, the advices, the amount of connection it had with most of the people's reality is amazing. She is so amazing. Like, I can't stop talking about her once I start. So I'm not gonna rant about this for too long or not gonna talk about this for too long. But this book is literally the self-love guide you need, and I am in love with it. Honestly, I can't put it down once I start because it has so many tips, it has so many advices that a lot of people need to hear in their life and need to understand and imply in their life. And yeah, I mean, that's it. I read one chapter. I am already feeling really good and I'm feeling like I've gained something by reading this chapter, gained some information that I can imply in my life to put the pieces back together. And yeah, I think I loved it, and now I am planning to reply to some emails, some brand emails, because my manager usually does it, but well, I think today I have to. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll update you guys about what I'm planning to do. But first, work. I just locked a deal for myself, and all I can say for now is stay tuned on my Insta profile, that is Amnaisha Khanna, because a really cool, exciting collaboration is gonna come soon with a really cool brand that I actually was looking forward to work with. Touchwood, I am so grateful right now. Like, I think I really wished and hoped that I would work with this brand in future, and I can't believe I just said okay to them. Like, I'm just gonna go through my to-do list for the last time and see if I'm missing out on something that I wanted to do for today, and then I'm just gonna chill for a little while, probably watch a YouTube vlog or something, or maybe just watch some self-development video or listen to a podcast or listen to some music. Actually, that's the best thing I can do right now. Okay, I feel really like a fresh person right now, because instead of music, I thought, why not listen to a podcast, because that's actually more informative and helpful, of course. And I just got so much of knowledge from the podcast I just listened. I think I'll link it down below in the description. You guys should check it out too if you want to, or if you're interested in listening to any podcast, please do listen to the one I'm linking down below. or you can just listen to my podcast, like literally relationship to self. Season 3 is gonna come back soon, stay tuned for that. And if you guys didn't notice, मैं रोज़ वॉक पे जाती हूँ नीचे 1 hour, बट आज आई couldn't go क्योंकि मैं आई घर पे like ये टाइम पे, जो टाइम पे मैं वॉक पे नहीं जाती हूँ यूजुअली, इट्स नॉट रियली माई walking routine time, so I skipped today, but I did stretching, I did some body movement also, so I think it counts. But yeah, it's okay if you skip 1 or 2 things from your to-do list because you don't have the capacity, or if you just feel like not doing it, it's completely okay. Take it from me, trust me. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys got to know a lot about me from this vlog, at least about my night routine. And anyways, I'll see you guys soon with another vlog. It's my active era on YouTube, so stay tuned for more content coming up. And as I said, stay tuned on my Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time soon. Bye.